Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Tech Pro, and today in this video, guys, I'm actually going to be showing you all exactly how to create a Linux bootable USB flash drive, and then we're going to be installing it onto our computer. So let's go ahead and get started right now. So the first step, go ahead and type in Linux Ubuntu. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the little download link right there, and then it will bring you to a page right here that says Ubuntu Downloads. So basically right here, just going to go ahead and click on the Ubuntu desktop link right there, which will then bring us to this page. So yeah, here's some of the specs that you might need to have in your PC to actually run this. Alright, so now the download has actually started, and so yep, I'll be right back in just a moment. Alright, so now the next step is to download a little piece of software here called Rufus. This is what we're going to use to actually put Ubuntu or whatever version of Linux you used or downloaded. We're actually going to be putting that onto the USB stick now, and that's what this software is going to let us do. So just go ahead and click on the latest version. It may be a higher number depending on when you're watching this video. And then after you click it, you'll see the little download thing down there in the bottom corner. And so basically you just want to go ahead and click on that. And then you will be greeted with this little thing. Just go ahead and click no, and then you will be presented with the actual software. So now what you want to do is go ahead and insert a USB stick. And then now that you've done that, you want to just go ahead and click the little select button right there under the actual USB stick name. And then you want to go ahead and select your operating system, which you've gone ahead and downloaded. Go ahead and click OK. And then you want to find the little button down there that says Start. Alright, so now after you've plugged your USB in and you've gone ahead and gone to the boot menu, you just want to go ahead and select your USB, and then you will see this screen. So yep, mine's already booted up, just now booted up. And so basically you just want to go ahead and click the Install Ubuntu button, and then you will be brought to this screen. Just go ahead and select your language, then click Next. Now we're going to click Next again, and then Install Now. And that's actually about it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and for telling subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Peace. Bye.